tutorial, you will learn how to create 3D effects on Photoshop CS6. Alright, let's get started. For the first, I will make text here RGB. Press Shift on your keyboard, make it large. Press Shift and make it large, like this. After this, we will use blending options like the video previous I made for you. But before that, I have to duplicate the layer, this layer first. You can use 3 ways to make duplicate. The first way, you can do right click here and then duplicate layer. Or the third way, you can drag it to here. That 3 method will give the same result. Duplicate layer. Well, after this, I will open the blending option. You can do by right click here, click blending option, or you can press the effects here or layer style. Let's do color overlay first. Change the color to 9B, 7, 11D. Click OK. After this, we will work in inner shadow. Change color to white. And blending mode to color dot. Change distance to 5 pixels, but this is already 5. And the chop 0%, this is already 0. The size, make it 7 pixels. Change the opacity to 100%, but maybe this is I will reduce it to 45%. Okay, and then change the angle to 145. This is okay. Uncheck the global light. You can see here, I'm assuming that light come from this direction. Okay, let's click OK. Now, I will add bevel and emboss. Change the style into inner bevel if this is not already inner bevel. Make it smooth. Change the depth into 145%. And the accent, let it up. Also change the size to 250 pixels. And the soften, let it be 0. With the altitude is 30. Fine. Let it the linear contour. Change the highlight mode to color dot. And then I will make this white, but it is already white. Okay. change the opacity to 50. Whatever the color here, change the opacity to 0. And then let's see the difference between with or without bevel and emboss. You can see here, this is without bevel and emboss, and this is with bevel and emboss. Let's press OK. After this, I will add a satin style. Change color to white. Change blending mode to color dot. Decrease the opacity to 25 and the angle to 45. Change both distance and size into 30 and 130 pixels. You see the check here. Check this both action. Okay, let's see the differences with or without satin overlay. You can see this is without satin and this is with satin overlay. Now I will make this layer a folder by drag it into a new group. Click and drag into new group like this. I will rename this with text. After this, click in the original text here, and then hide the text folder here. For your information, you can paste in your own value to get the best result. After this, the next step is creating the 3D depth. I've already hide the text group and then unhide the original text layer. From window, choose action. I choose action to open the action panel. From here, you can import the 3D action. From here, you can load the 3D actions. I have here. Let's open it. Extruder action. This action against the layers under each other to form the 3D depth. Now select the second action here, then select the origin text here. Click play on multiple times, around maybe 50 copies to form 3D depths by 50 layers. Let's do it. Let's make it 50. 49 and 50. Select this last layer. Hold Shift button in your keyboard and then select the first layer. We will make a group. Drag to group the 3D. Drag to group it here. I will name it 3D. Let's open it. Let's give style on 3D. Click on the first layer inside the 3D group. Open the layer style. Add stroke. We have to make the size to 30 pixels. With inside position and normal blend. Keep opacity to 100%. Now we go to the gradients. The fill type, change to gradients. Click the gradients and choose any two colors of gradients. I choose this one or this one. You can choose both of them. Change the color stop. Double click it. Make it 88618. 88618. You have to copy it to paste it after this. Okay, and then double click on the second color stop. Just paste it here. We have the same color. Click OK, and then we will make a new color stop here. Fill it with D4AC43. Press OK, and then change the style to shape bar and angle to 90. This is let it be 90. Now go to the bevel and emboss. Change the style slope to slope emboss. Keep this smooth and change the depth to 150% with up direction. Make size 80 pixels. You can see here 80 pixels and soften with 13 pixel. Now we have to uncheck the global light and then make this 145. Make the angle maybe 150. Change the corner to maybe we have preset here. Yes, just this. Alright. just highlight to white color here. Or this is already white, but we have to change highlight to white color with color dot. And the opacity I will reduce to 70. I also change the shadow mode to white color with color dot and 50 in opacity. And then choose the contour here. Let's choose the preset, maybe this one. Okay. And raise the range to 75%. And then we have almost done. As you can see, we'll open the layer style and paste to all of layers. Let's do it. Okay. Let's do this. Right click on the first layer and then choose copy layer style. Select the first layer and then press shift until last layer. Right click and choose paste layer style. That is, as you can see, all the layers have the same layer style. Then collapse them all like this. And hide the text, the first text here. Now you can see that this is the 3D text effects on Photoshop. Is this easy enough? Alright, all of you can follow these steps and I will give you another tutorial in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.